Hey folks, I'm Walter, and yes, Royal Caribbean does own celebrity, and in fact, you might be surprised at who owns who in the cruising industry. Now, Carnival Corporation is the largest cruise company in the world, and according to their website, they carry 85% of all cruise passengers across their lines. So here's a look at who owns what. Now, the Carnival Corporation owns, obviously, Carnival Cruise Lines, Princess Cruises, Holland America Line, Seabourn, Cunard, yeah, the Queens, Queen Mary, Queen Elizabeth, that is Carnival Corporation, AIDA over in Germany, Costa in Europe, P&O Cruises UK, and P&O Cruises Australia. Now, Royal Caribbean Group owns Royal Caribbean International, Celebrity Cruises, and Silversea. They're also partners in TUI Cruises and Hapag-Lloyd Cruises. Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings has Norwegian Cruise Lines, Oceania Cruises, and Regent Seven Seas, which is like one of the ultimate small ship cruising experiences. And here's some of the more well-known independent cruise companies, starting with Disney Cruise Line, Viking Cruises, which has both ocean and river cruising, MSC Cruises, which is part of MSC, which has a huge cargo shipping business, and of course, Virgin Voyages. So as you can see, that was a great question. I mean, there's three companies that own most of the cruise lines that all of us sell. And how many of you knew that Carnival owns Cunard, the Queens? I mean, what a difference between cruising on Carnival and cruising on the Queens. That's really cool. So thanks so much for that question. I hope that was enlightening.